Alright guys, it's -2 out this morning, and as you can see I forgot to plug in my truck, so we're going to see if it will start up here so I can go into town. I'll just click the remote start. Oh, it was cold. Started right up. Look at that. Modern technology. Well, it started. That's what you get for these new diesels. They just start so good, and the Rams have the grid heaters in the intake, so they're do really good. I'm just gonna let this thing warm up, heading to town. Anyways, have a good day.